phase of logout tagout, we shall be logging out the tunnel, wherein in every aspect of the tunnel we would be taking care of the electrical, the air, which is numeric, the steam, and as well as this process is going to be demonstrated by Kevin. Kevin is our lead level 3 tech for the second shift. So he will be demonstrating this process to the rest of the crew here in TMC Hospital Laundry. Are you ready, Kevin?
Yeah.
All right. So I have to turn power off on the tunnel to start with. So power is off on the tunnel.
So the first thing we gotta do to lock out the tunnel properly, we're gonna kill the power source to the whole tunnel. We're gonna lock it out. Take the keys away.
So are you gonna be the only one locking out, or you have another crew members with you?
I'll be the only one locking it out right now.
All right.
Working just the job.
Okay.
Next is gonna be my pneumatic air supply. Next we got water coming into the tunnel. You also gonna have to lock it out.
That is a processed water.
Processed water. Also we got steam. That's it. Now you can work on electrically, water, air, and steam pipes. With the way we lock it out.
All right. So at this point, Kevin has been able to isolate every aspect of the tunnel. He has isolated electricity. He isolated the airline for numeric purposes. He isolated the processed water that feeds into the tunnel, and as well as the steam line. So at this point, every aspect of it is locked out and is ready to work on the tunnel safely. So now after you finish your work, what do you do next?
So we go back to taking out all the lockouts, tagouts. And we gotta make sure when it's steam, you gotta open it slowly.
Slowly, right?
Yeah. Little by little, leave it like that. And then we can go back to the other lockout tagouts. And also, you don't want to open it all the way and slowly. properly.
So you're ready to turn on the equipment at this point in time? So at this point in time, Kevin has taken out every lock and tag that he had on the equipment on the channel, and he powered everything back to normal, and we are ready to start up our mentor and get the system up and running again. That was a demonstration of the logout tagout process on this year's annual training process for logout tagout here at TMC Hospital Laundry, where the process was demonstrated, recorded for educational purpose only here at the TMC Hospital Laundry. Second shift engineers. Thank you. The engineers signed the training sheet to affirm that they have received the annual training for this logout tagout process, and then they will be awarded their certificate of training, and as well as this attestation. All right. You have Saúl? Saúl? How many copy? Oh yeah.
Ready? Yeah. So today's topic is lockout, tagout. We're gonna lock out our bracket blaster that has two power sources. That is electrical and pneumatic, that's air. We got one over here that's gonna demonstrate for us how to lock it out. Okay. First you're gonna take your lock and isolate the power sources from the machine. Now that one's locked out of power. Now we have to isolate the air pressure. Take your lockout device. Locate your air pressure valve. Shut it off. Install your lockout device. Close it off as well. Now you have your air and electricity isolated completely, and you can safely work on the machine.
Time to take out your lock. Work is completed.
So what you're going to do is make sure the machine is clear of everybody else that could be working on it, and then you're going to go and remove your lock. To get rid of your electrical isolation. We're not going to turn it on yet. We have to check the machine is clear. Remove our lock on the air pressure. And make sure the machine is clear, and then we can turn our power back on. We're clear. And we're good to go.
All right. Great job.
Donovan Queen.
I'll give you the copy when I make the copies. Who else is leaving? Who else is leaving?
Hey, they got all your cool stickers.
Russ signed already.
They got all your cool stickers.
Yeah, they got.
Lock out your power source. Lock out your air and your power source. I know not a lot of things. You go on to work on the equipment. Once you finish working on your equipment, you're going to then at that standpoint is ready to get ready to store testing. Then you have to remove your lock on your electrical, then you got to remove your lock off your air lock in order to bring that equipment back up. Once you bring that equipment back up, you can officially get your lockout tag out. Now you're ready to execute. We're trying to take your properly and kind of like working. So these are the procedures and the steps of lockout tagging out your blanket master number 4. Anything else? What have you learned?
Knocking out the equipment properly.
And locking out your equipment properly consists of what? Properly. And then once you take that, you put your key right here on the box until you finish with that, and then remove it off.
I was buying this one a while back.
I mean, mine's probably like 10 years. I haven't needed to use it.